Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video to document this. This is the latest acquisition from eBay. This is 3 Marx 666s, all of them smoking. I got all 3 of them for $20, and I was the only bidder. So I just wanted to do a video of actually unboxing these to see what they actually look like. So, $20 for 3 smoking 666s. Really difficult to beat that. Alright, first one out of the box. This one is missing the front truck. But as you see, it is a smoker. And in fairly good condition. So the second one, this one is complete front and rear trucks and is frozen solid. This one is complete front and rear truck. These things have been sitting for years, obviously. The thing is, they're complete, with the exception of that 1666 that's missing the front truck. And a few minutes work, and I can almost guarantee I will have all 3 of these running. Now, the reason I was the only bidder is, I think, people judge these things on their appearance. And you can see it's got lots and lots of oxide built up on the paint. This is indicative of being stored in a damp environment, usually a basement, for years. These have probably been in storage for 30 years, perhaps longer than that. This green that you see on the copper contact, this is called verdigris. It is highly, highly poisonous. So you don't want to mess with this stuff. It's the same stuff. This is why a bronze statue turns green. This exact same oxide, and this forms on copper, bronze, and this is indicative of this thing being sitting a very, very long time undisturbed, like I said, in a damp environment. So anyway, I just wanted to do a video of unboxing these things, and once I get this one, or which one is it? First one I'll start on, of course, is the one that's frozen, which was this one. So I'll put a few drops of oil on this, get this broken loose, and it usually only takes a second. And then I'll do a follow-up and test all 3 of them on the rail to see what they need. Usually when they're in this condition, the E units are not going to work because this is covered with oxide. This is covered with oxide. The copper contacts inside the E unit are probably coated with this exact same oxide. So anyway, we'll see what it takes to get it running. But 3 666s, all of them smokers, all of them complete except for the one that's missing a front truck, and all 3 of them for $20. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of unboxing them, and I'll start with the frozen one first, get that broken loose, then progress to the other 2. But I just want to do a video of taking these things out of the box. They're not prizes, but I have a 99% chance of getting all 3 of these running. Whether the smoke unit works, I have no idea. I can almost guarantee the E unit is not going to work. But the only way to tell is to put a few drops of oil on them and actually get them running. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.